In the era of AI agents, connectivity is everything. The Model Context Protocol Servers repository is the official reference hub that acts like a universal adapter kit for artificial intelligence. Maintained by the Model Context Protocol team, this repository provides the definitive blueprint for giving AI models secure and standardized access to the world's data. Think of these servers as the bridge that transforms a simple text box into an active agent. Through this library, an AI can navigate your local file system, manage GitHub repositories, and execute read-only queries on databases like PostgreSQL. It even provides live web access through Brave search and browser automation using tools like Puppeteer. As of 2026, these servers have evolved beyond simple data retrieval. They now support bidirectional sampling, allowing a database server to ask the model for a complex SQL query before executing it. With updated security standards like OAuth 2.1, these tools are now ready for enterprise-grade remote deployments. Whether you are using TypeScript, Python, or newly supported languages like Rust and Go, these reference implementations demonstrate the three core primitives of the protocol: tools for action, resources for reading data, and prompts for consistent interaction. By building once with these patterns, your integration works instantly across every compatible host in the world. This repository is the core engine driving the agentic revolution, providing the standard library for AI connectivity. You can explore the official registry and documentation at modelcontextprotocol.io to start building your own connected agents today. If this breakdown helped you understand the architecture behind the code, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button. It's a small click for you, but it's the primary signal that tells YouTube this engineering content belongs in more developers' feeds. We're on a mission here at Blueprint Bytes to simplify the most complex systems. To join the build, hit subscribe. By joining us, you're making sure you never miss a deep dive into the open source tools shaping the future. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one repository or engineering concept that's been living rent-free in your head lately? Drop a comment below. I use your suggestions to curate every single quick look we produce. Finally, if you know a fellow dev or student who's struggling with this topic, share this video. Let's keep engineering simple and accessible for everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next bite.